This video is made for educational purpose only with significant original text commentary.
Frankly, I just got off a plane and we came straight here from the plane.
Well, first off, welcome to San Francisco, where it's probably a little bit chilly. The opposite came from 5 degrees.
Jesus Christ. Fucking dumbass.
It's like, oh shit! Oh!
Before we move to the next clip, I want to quickly show you something. This right here is the drop in views on our channel. It takes a lot of time and effort to find these clips, research everything, and put these videos together. And right now, we genuinely need your help to bring the channel's strength back. If you're watching this, please watch the full video without skipping, like the video, and hype it up in the comments so it gets pushed to more people. It's 1 second for you, but it makes a massive difference for the channel.
Okay, just fuck y'all guys.
Alright, thank you.
Dude, what are you
Alright, let's
doing?
get over to...
You're about to get pulled over. That is hilarious. Fucking idiot. Jesus Christ.
From England?
He apparently did.
I don't believe it. I don't believe it.
Well, they live
What
out in
the hell?
Hollywood at this point.
Wow.
They've been.
Whoa, 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 whoa. What the f... Wow.
Fred, wow, you're
What are you doing?
You're a good artist. Should we make
I see.
as opposed to you, this naysayer?
Current loop video is now locked.
Jesus.
And arms were a different story. A portion of the blast
Man?
down, tearing into his upper thighs and
Jesus
shredding his
Christ.
That's what you get for showing off.
Dude.
I put a couple of snacks in the. Jeez!
That was f***ing close.
Oh my god, that was close.
Jesus Christ.
Oh my god! You stupid!
It was flat. Yeah, stupid Jeep.
I hope my dashcam caught that.
My car's able to work. That's it.ฝั่งโน้นเป็นไรเนี่ยไอ้โน้นฮิตแอนด์รันไปแล้ว
They're closed on Tuesday and Monday. So random.
Monday and Tuesday.
Yeah. I'm surprised they're open on Sunday.
I didn't
Like-
know there was a turn there. Who takes that turn and says, should we stay?
I don't even know if the dashcam got it. If it did, we need to pull the footage like now because it's gonna overwrite it.
He's a retired police officer, served with the city of Shelton for quite some time, is a veteran, a local businessman, and somebody who truly cares about the city.
What the f*** are you thinking? Oh.
Parking space.
Oh. Okay.
Another.
Oh.
Oh, damn! What the heck? I didn't mean to yell like that, but my gosh.
Yeah, but.
Yeah, look at that. Don't that accident. Actually, that would be the van's fault.